more abortions and more people casting votes in November. Also, more outrage and frustration. All of those disparate trends and emotions could come to Southern California if the Supreme Court overturns or severely limits Roe v. Wade, the 1973 decision that guaranteed a federal constitutional right to an abortion. On the abortion front, the upturn is already underway. Since September, when Texas enacted a controversial law that outlaws abortion after a doctor can detect a fetal heartbeat, typically around 6 weeks, the number of out-of-state women seeking to terminate their pregnancies at Planned Parenthood clinics in Southern California has roughly quadrupled. But that trend could kick into overdrive if Roe is struck down, as a leaked Supreme Court draft decision suggested. At least 26 states are poised to ban or severely restrict abortion if and when the Supreme Court takes action, states that include about 58% of American women of childbearing age. In a post-Roe world, many of those women will turn to California, where abortion rules are arguably the most lenient in the country. It could be a deluge, said Nichole Ramirez, a spokeswoman for Planned Parenthood's 9-office region in Orange and San Bernardino counties. The dismantling of Roe. On the political front, consultants of all political stripes believe the question isn't if but how much a move to strike down Roe will animate voters. And many predict the biggest upturn will come from voters who previously weren't expected to turn out in big numbers, younger women. This year's midterm was going to be one of the most boring, low-turnout elections we've had in a long time, said Adam Probolsky, an Irvine-based political researcher. And on the outrage front, local pro-life advocates were thrilled that the Supreme Court might be poised to give their cause the win they've sought for 2 generations, but they saw an anti-Roe ruling as a starting point. We are cautiously optimistic. The ruling would help make it clear to everyone who is paying attention that there is no right to abortion in this nation, said Susan S. Arnall, Vice President of Legal Affairs for the Right to Life League, a Pasadena-based group that pushes for tougher abortion laws.